guys, welcome back. In today's video we will do a exercise on vector, and in the next video we will move on to matrices. Now I want to create a vector which consists of names of 8 different boards, right? The next is a vector consisting of colors of boards, black, green, pink and so on. Next is the age of boards, price of boards and cost of boards, right? Now in order to subset a vector, suppose I want to find out the price of first board, so I can extract that from the vector called board dot price and a square bracket 1, as I told you in previous lecture. What are the ages of first 5 board? In order to do that, there is a vector called board dot ages 1 colon 5 will give me the age of all the first 5 boards. What are the names of black boards only, right? So I want to know what are the names of boards which are black in color. So in order to do that, inside the bracket, square bracket, I have to mention the color of that board which is black. So board dot color is equal to black, because black is a string, so it is in quotes. This will give me the name of all the boards, which is A, G, H. Now, next question is, what were the prices of either green or yellow boards? So, in R, OR condition is written using a pipe sign, right? So, this is written similar to black, but there is a OR condition, green or yellow. There are two boards, and which are either green or yellow, and the price of those are 87 and 32. Now I want to change the price of board A to say 100, right? So in order to do that, first I need to subset the vector, which is board dot names is equal to 8, and then after that assignment operator is equal to 100. Now price of board A is now changed to 100. You can quickly check this in our console. It has been changed to 100, right? Now the next question is, find out the names of all the boards which are in color black or price greater than 100. Again, there is a OR condition, and there are 4 boards. Which board were either black or brown and had a price less than 10? So again, the first condition is your OR condition, and second condition is AND. So once I execute this, I will get a true and false. None of the boards are matching this condition. So this is all for this particular video. We will move on to matrices in next. Hope you enjoy.